Okay, I'm ready to do a painting video. This is Poppa Paints. I'm Poppa, and I'm kind of excited to do this. And I spent most of my day today putting together the YouTube channel. I didn't realize how much it was involved in doing this. We have a YouTube channel that has nothing to do with painting, but it's been so long since I set that up. But this is the brand new one, and there's nobody out there yet, so there's nobody really watching me. But maybe you are. Maybe you're in the future or something. And anyway, I want to show you the idea today. I'll tell you and then I'll show you. So the idea is to get like a screenshot from, I'll show you, but from like Google Earth, you know, and then we're going to do a landscape from there. Okay, so let's turn the camera around and do this. Okay, so I got, there's my computer and there's my big screen so I can see it better, and I'm on Google Maps. I'm going to back out all the way until you can see the whole North America. How about that? All of North America. There's the whole planet right there. Let's spin the whole world. The world right there. Now, I'm going to go to North America. I just feel like I want to go to the US. And I'm going to find a place at random. Okay, I'm just going to shake the cursor round and around. See what I'm doing here? Round and around, 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 around. And we're going to land up right here. Right there. Oh, it looks like Utah. Okay, so in Utah, I'm going to double click. Okay, we're going to get closer and closer. There's a lake right there. Ah, lake. Sheep Creek Lake. That's what we want. We want the view of a lake. Okay. Oh, gosh. Oh, now we're getting somewhere. Well, that's kind of pretty. What do you think? I think that would make for a nice picture. The sky is so perfectly blue, though. I'm going to have to add some clouds, I think. All right, so here's the reference photo. I don't need to look at it constantly. I already know that we have the sky, the trees on the horizon, the lake, the foreground land. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4 parts. And then you got these external bushes and trees and things like that. So it's pretty much a textbook landscape painting, if you will. All right, kids, now we begin. Get a little bit of water on the brush. Get a little bit of gesso and mix it with the orange. Just get it there. I'm just gonna put it on there, and I'm gonna put some brown in there just to make it so it's not all uniform. Okay, it's been a couple hours since the last time you saw me. This is dry now. This is dry now, okay? It's a little bit on the back somehow. I don't know how that happened, but it got back. It's still wet, but the front is dry. All right, now let's start with the sky and work down. Let's just see what happens. Let's just start with this blue here, and just kind of dab it on there. Now, this is the way I work. I don't do the broad brush strokes like I do for the underpainting. When I'm getting to the actual painting, I definitely do little tiny, almost like pointillism spots. Welcome to the next morning. It's now Saturday morning, November 11th, and we're going to continue with the painting. I've added to the palette, I've added 2 different shades of yellow. Yellow oxide is what that one's called, and that's cadmium yellow, I think it's called. Cadmium yellow. See, I really eyeball it more than know the names. I have an off shade of green, and there's the Payne's gray again, the blue gray again, and the white. Now, in looking at what I did yesterday, and then looking again at the reference photo, you see the lower part of the sky down toward the tree line. It's a lot brighter than the upper part of the sky, which is what I tried to do. But I didn't get it very well. I didn't do it very well. So I want to do that. Plus, I want to make sure, the more I thought about it, the more I thought I wanted the picture to look somewhat like the reference photo. So the tree line is really a bunch of small trees, and I guess in my mind's memory when I was doing it yesterday, I couldn't visualize that. So I have to remember that. It's a bunch of small trees, and there's even a hint of maybe a small mountain in the background there. So let's just get started. I'm using just a regular tiny little brush here, not tiny but small enough. And I want to take some of that white and mix it with some of that blue gray and make it very, very light. And just start to correct some of the areas down here near the tree line. And also I want to make the tree line a little bit less less erratic, because it's kind of a straight tree line, kind of. Let's use that dark blue first of all, the one with the funny name. Just going to start putting it in there. To decide which way we want the light to be coming from. Just really know. I mean, we remember in the photograph the sun was bright straight above. So, but sometimes it's nice to have the effect of the light coming from the side. So I might change the direction of the light. Okay, well, I think it's done. The camera wasn't on, but I did touch it up a little bit. I'll show you what I did. I took a little bit of red and some white and some yellow, and I just basically put some dots in this area to make it look like there were some flowers there. I thought that was a nice way to create some contrast. And so there it is. There's the painting. Now all I got to do is sign it. And thank you for watching. And this is my first full painting on my Poppa Paints video channel, YouTube channel. All right. See you later.